Okay, when you're in a Zoom call, your teachers might put you in a breakout room. And a breakout room is a smaller room that you can work with other students in, or you're going to work by yourself. So Mrs. Myers is going to put me in a breakout room, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So it automatically took me to my own room, and I'm sitting here in a breakout room, meaning that Mrs. Myers can come around to all these different rooms to see us. I also have the option to click leave room down at the bottom, and I can go back to the main room. Or Mrs. Myers will end these rooms, or Miss Slack, and bring us all back together. So while I'm in here, I'm supposed to be working, following the directions she gave if I'm working with other students and discussing. And then when we go back to the full room, we'll talk more then.